Welcome to our channel, where we simplify your digital life one tap at a time. Today, we're tackling a common Telegram frustration: removing non-contacts from your personal folder. Whether these are old connections, spam accounts, or just clutter you no longer need, we'll show you exactly how to clean up your space in under a minute. Start by opening your Telegram app. Navigate to the left-hand menu where your folders are listed. Find the one labeled Personal. This is where your curated chats typically live. Right-click on the folder name. A menu will pop up with several options. Select Edit Folder to access its customization settings. Inside the editing interface, you'll see categories like Groups, Channels, and Non-Contacts. These are the building blocks of your folder's content. Focus on the Non-Contacts section. To the right of this label, you'll notice a small X icon. Clicking it will remove all non-contacts from the folder in one swift action. Once you've cleared the non-contacts category, don't forget to hit Save at the bottom of the screen. This locks in your changes and ensures the folder now exclusively shows chats from your saved contacts. If you skip this step, your adjustments won't stick. And that's it. Your personal folder is now streamlined. No more sifting through unfamiliar names or outdated conversations. This quick cleanup not only organizes your chats, but also tightens your privacy by limiting visibility to trusted contacts. Remember, folders are your best friend for managing Telegram's chaos. Use them to separate work from leisure, prioritize important chats, or mute distractions. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs a tidier Telegram experience. For more tips on mastering your apps, hit subscribe and ring the bell. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.